Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I know I've been MIA with these lash videos. I haven't done a lash video in a long time. I mean months, because the girl has been sticking to getting her lashes done. But I am back with another lash video, and this time I'm back with a more time efficient lash method. It is way more convenient, and it is a lot cheaper. Now if you guys would love to see how I ended up getting this look, then for sure definitely keep on watching.
And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice.
Now, before we go anywhere in the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. So, you guys, in this video, I am back with a new way of doing the lashes. Like I said, it is a new method, with new tools, new lashes. Well, yeah, some new tools and some new lashes. Now, what you need to do this video is a lash kit that I will also be selling, but for now it is not on my website as yet. It's not yet out. This is just a sample that I'm trying out with you guys on camera for the first time. Okay, so your reaction will be just as mine in terms of seeing it for the first time. Now, in this lash kit, you get your lashes, you get some tweezers, and you get a lash bond mixed with a lash seal. And when I say mix, they're pretty much joined together. But yeah, so with this lash cluster that I have, the good thing or what I pretty much love about it is the fact that it comes with volume lashes, it comes with wispy lashes, it comes with some light volumes, and also bottom lashes. So you can literally get different type of lash shades out of this one lash kit, which is why I love it so much. But again, I don't know how it looks as yet because I haven't done any type of lash styles with it. This is my first time, my first sample, so let's get on with the video. Now, before we start putting anything on our lashes, you want to always make sure that you're starting out with clean lashes, because if your lashes are dirty, then the lash bond will not stay on your lashes, and that's how your lashes start to fall off before the actual time frame that it is supposed to stay. Now I'm gonna go in and pretty much just brush out my lashes, make sure they're pretty much clean, and then get started with placing my lashes on my natural lashes.
There's a room full of niggas. What you following me for? Say the fucking sing along. So girl, what you singing for? 'Cause you blow like a seagull. My
To get started, we're going to apply the lash bond on our lashes, and you're pretty much just going to apply it the same way you would apply mascara. And you just want to make sure most of your lashes are covered, because this is what we're going to use to glue the lashes together. After we've applied our lash bond, I'm going to go in with my lashes, and I'm starting out with the fuller volume sets, and I did go in with 16, 14, no, 16, 15, and 14 mm. And I started with the 16 on the outer corners, and as I make my way into the inner corners of my eyes, I added the 14s. No, I started with, like I said, I started with the full volume lashes, and then I went in with some spikes, and then I also went in with some light volumes, because the look that I was going for was a kind I wanted it to look a little bit wispy, but also had volumes, but not too dark. So because I couldn't decide, I went ahead and I pretty much just mixed pretty much all the lashes together. So I started off with the fuller volumes first, then went in with the spikes to fill in like the gaps or put it in between, and then I also went in with some light volumes just to give it that boost that I was looking for. But yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch as I pretty much apply the lashes to my natural lashes. And again, I went in with 16, 15, and 14. I did not do any bottom lashes in this video, and I wish I did do it, but it's okay. I'm going to be coming back with a lot more lash videos to kind of show you guys different styles. The curl in this video is, I think it's D curl, and it's 0.07 diameters. I think the measurement is diameters, do not quote me on that. But yeah, I'm going to be coming back with different styles, so I will definitely try to add a style where I'm doing the bottom lashes as well, just so you guys can see how it will look. Also, another tip when you're, not another tip, but a tip when you're applying your lashes, do not apply them too close to your eyelids, because then it's going to be too tight on your eyelids, and then they're going to be uncomfortable, and you're going to find yourself literally want to rip your eyes out because it's just pulling on your lash lids, your eyelids. Do not go too close, but at the same time you do not want to do it too far away from your eyelids, if you get what I'm saying. Just go to as close to your eyelids as possible, but not on your eyelids directly. Also, the good thing about the lash bond is the fact that it pretty much covers your entire lashes. So it's not like the Ardell glue or like the professional lash glue, where if you put it on your lash, some of it might not stick, and then you find yourself with your lashes falling off. With the lash bond, it pretty much applies it all over your lashes, so it is easy for the lash extension to literally grab onto your natural lashes. But yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch as I pretty much just go in and apply my lashes, and then when I'm doing anything else or something new, I'm going to come back and let you guys know what I'm doing.
You thought you was the nigga fucking bitches, now you wishing you were with me, living life so trill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh shit. Now you gotta tell your friends about it. Gotta tell them how you fucked up on the
Baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, baby, later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Did I see? No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey. Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must've changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one to see my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. She blowing me kisses.
Also, when I finished the first layers, I realized that I wanted it to look a little bit more thick. So to achieve this look, what I did was I went in with the lash bond and I applied it to the lash extensions. This time, just as though I would have applied it to my natural lashes, and then I went back in with the spikes. I think it was the spikes that I used, and I went in and I just went in between the lashes that I already did, just for it to look fluffy and for it to give that wispy look like I said I wanted. But yeah, I just literally just went back in with some more lashes and pretty much just mixed them, and I'm still going in with the 16, 15 and 14.
Get a meat, let it drag on the floor. It's a nine in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it.
So now that I am pretty much satisfied with my lash, I'm going to go in with the lash seal, and what this does is seal the lash in place with your natural lashes. So it seals the bun, the lash and the cluster lashes together, so it stays. So yeah, I went in and I used the tweezers first and pretty much just clamped them down so they can stick even closer together, and then I went in with the lash seal to seal it in place, and then I also went in with my fan just to dry it in place, and that is pretty much all I did to achieve this look.
Just like fine China. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and they're saying no. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa, he's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're good enough. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine. turn on the tape.
I turned to an addict, I brought me a paddock, I brought her a baby one. Yeah, I brought me a Maybach, came with 2 doors, yeah, that's the Mercedes for sure. I stay with the baddest, I'm counting the cabbage while making my lady come. I brought a G-Wagon, that shit was a rabbit, that's why I be racing. Yeah, we brought the 4-door, had to get ready for war. Yeah.
Is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, the lash kit is not yet out, so I can't give you guys a direct link to it as yet, but I can find a similar lash kit on Amazon and link it down below, just in case any of you guys want to do your lashes right now and my lashes aren't out as yet, so it's understandable. But at the same time, I'm not sure if I'll be able to find like the same exact kit on Amazon that includes like the bottom lashes, the spikes, the light volumes, or the fuller volumes. I'm not sure, but I'll try my best to link one that is as close as possible. But for now, this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. But yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next one.
Whole lot of emeralds, these tuck your gas. Yeah, whole lot of red rubies on my neck. Pussy, he came with a 10, and the brick, he came with a bit. I can teach you how to flex.